Welcome to Globe Gallopers. I bet you didn't know about this hidden gem in Vietnam. Nestled amidst the Hoang Lien Son mountain range in northwest Vietnam, Sapa is a captivating town that feels a world away. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant ethnic culture, and pleasant year-round climate, Sapa is emerging as a must-visit destination for intrepid travelers. Unlike the bustling cities and crowded beaches found elsewhere, Sapa offers a serene escape. Here, you can immerse yourself in the raw beauty of nature, encounter diverse ethnic people, and create unforgettable memories. For years, Sapa remained a hidden gem, known mostly to adventurous backpackers and off-the-beaten-path explorers. Today, Sapa is experiencing a surge in popularity, with improved infrastructure making it more accessible than ever before. However, Sapa retains its authentic charm. The town's unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness continues to enthrall visitors. Prepare to be enchanted by the majestic rice terraces cascading down hillsides, the vibrant markets brimming with local crafts, and the warm hospitality of the ethnic people. Sapa is not your typical tourist destination. It's an experience. It's a place where you can challenge yourself with invigorating hikes, discover hidden waterfalls, and learn about ancient traditions. It's a place where you can sip Vietnamese coffee while overlooking misty valleys, savor delicious local delicacies, and connect with a culture vastly different from your own. If you're seeking an authentic adventure, a journey into the heart of Vietnam, then Sapa is calling. Sapa's allure lies in its unique blend of natural wonders and cultural experiences. The region is renowned for its stunning landscapes, dominated by the towering peaks of the Hoang Lien Son Mountains, often shrouded in a mystical mist. These mountains are home to Phan Xipang, the highest peak in Southeast Asia, offering challenging treks and rewarding panoramic views. But Sapa's beauty goes beyond its peaks. The region is adorned with verdant rice terraces, carved into the hillsides over generations by the local people. These terraces, shimmering emerald green in the summer sun and golden yellow during harvest season, create a spectacle that will leave you breathless. Waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs, their roars echoing through the valleys, while hidden caves offer glimpses into the region's geological past. Beyond its natural beauty, Sapa is home to a rich tapestry of ethnic cultures. The Hmong, Dao, Tay, Giai, and Safo people, each with their unique traditions, attire, and languages, coexist harmoniously in this mountainous region. Visiting Sapa offers a rare opportunity to interact with these communities, learn about their way of life, and witness their ancient customs. From their intricate handicrafts and colorful textiles to their traditional music and dance, the cultural heritage of Sapa is sure to captivate your senses. While Sapa beckons with unparalleled beauty and cultural experiences, navigating this mountainous region does present some challenges. The terrain can be rugged, especially for those venturing off the beaten path. Weather conditions, particularly during the rainy season, can be unpredictable, with sudden downpours and fog obscuring the stunning vistas. However, these challenges are easily overcome with a little preparation and the right mindset. Packing for Sapa requires a balance between comfort and practicality. Lightweight, breathable clothing is essential for trekking, while a waterproof jacket and sturdy hiking boots are crucial for navigating muddy trails and sudden showers. It's advisable to pack layers, as temperatures can fluctuate dramatically between day and night, especially at higher altitudes. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and a hat to protect yourself from the elements. When it comes to transportation, Sapa offers various options. Local buses connect the town to major cities like Hanoi, offering an affordable but lengthy travel experience. For a more comfortable journey, private cars or minivans can be arranged, allowing for flexibility and scenic stops along the way. Within Sapa, motorbikes are a popular mode of transport, offering the freedom to explore at your own pace. However, if you're not confident navigating the mountainous roads, hiring a local guide with a motorbike is a safer and more convenient option. They can take you to hidden gems and provide valuable insights into the region. Sapa is a treasure trove of experiences offering something for every type of traveler. Adventure seekers can embark on exhilarating treks through the Hoang Lien Son Mountains, conquering challenging trails and being rewarded with breathtaking views from peaks like Phan Xipang. For a more leisurely experience, scenic hikes through the rice terraces, passing by cascading waterfalls and traditional villages, provide a glimpse into the region's natural beauty and rural life. culture enthusiasts will find themselves immersed in Sapa's rich tapestry of ethnic traditions. The Baak Sunday Market, a bustling hub of activity, offers a glimpse into the lives of the local Hmong, Dao, and Tay people. Here you can witness traditional costumes, sample local delicacies, and browse through an array of handicrafts, from intricate silver jewelry to colorful textiles. For a deeper understanding of the local culture, consider visiting the villages of Katkat, Lauchai, and Tavan. These villages, nestled amidst the rice terraces, provide a window into the daily lives of the Sapa people. You can interact with the locals, learn about their farming techniques, and witness their traditional crafts, from weaving and batik dyeing to silversmithing. Homestays in these villages offer an authentic experience, allowing you to live with a local family, share their meals, and learn about their customs firsthand. The warmth and hospitality of the Sapa people will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression. While Sapa's well-trodden paths offer incredible experiences, venturing off the beaten track reveals hidden gems and local secrets. Ask your guest house or hotel for recommendations on lesser-known hiking trails, leading to secluded waterfalls, pristine viewpoints, and traditional villages untouched by mass tourism. These hidden trails provide a more intimate experience with nature and a chance to connect with the local way of life. Food is an integral part of any travel experience, and Sapa doesn't disappoint. While the town offers a variety of restaurants serving both Vietnamese and international cuisine, the true culinary gems are often found in local eateries and street food stalls. Don't be afraid to try traditional dishes like thang ko, a hearty horse meat stew, or khom lam, bamboo sticky rice cooked over an open fire. For a sweet treat, indulge in ban ran, deep-fried dough balls, or che, a traditional Vietnamese dessert soup. When interacting with the local villagers, remember to be respectful of their customs and traditions. Learn a few basic Vietnamese phrases to facilitate communication and show your appreciation for their culture. Bargaining is common practice in markets, but do so with a smile and a sense of humor. And lastly, don't forget to bring small gifts, such as school supplies or toiletries, to offer to the villagers, especially if you're visiting their homes or schools. These small gestures go a long way in building relationships and leaving a positive impact on the community. Sapa's cultural calendar is filled with vibrant festivals and events throughout the year, offering a glimpse into the unique traditions of the region's people. If you're planning a trip to Sapa, try to coincide your visit with one of these special occasions. Spring Festival in February or March marks the beginning of the Lunar New Year and is a time for family reunions, feasting, and traditional games. The streets of Sapa come alive with colorful processions, dragon dances, and lively music. Long Tong Festival in April or May, celebrated by the Tay people, is dedicated to praying for rain and a bountiful harvest. The highlight of the festival is the Going to the Field ceremony, where villagers plant rice seedlings while singing traditional songs. Gao Tao Festival in June or July, celebrated by the Hmong people, is a time for courtship and marriage proposals. Young men and women dress in their finest attire and participate in traditional games and dances, hoping to find their future spouses. Autumn Festival in September or October, also known as the Mid-Autumn Festival, is a time for families to gather under the full moon, enjoy mooncakes and light lanterns. Sapa's streets are adorned with colorful lanterns, creating a magical atmosphere. Sapa Winter Festival in December or January celebrates the winter solstice and the coming of the new year. Visitors can enjoy traditional music and dance performances, sample local delicacies, and witness the unique custom of buffalo fighting. Before we conclude our unforgettable journey to Sapa, we have one little favor to ask. Please subscribe to our channel for exclusive travel tips, insider information, and more amazing travel content. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us help you plan the trip of a lifetime. As we continue our journey, Sapa stands out as a destination that should be on every traveler's radar. Here's why. Unspoiled natural beauty. Sapa's landscapes, from towering mountains and verdant rice terraces to cascading waterfalls and hidden caves, offer a breathtaking escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Cultural immersion. Interacting with Sapa's diverse people, each with their own unique customs and traditions, provides a rare opportunity to experience a culture vastly different from your own. Adventure and tranquility. Whether you're seeking challenging treks or peaceful hikes, Sapa offers a balance of adventure and tranquility, allowing you to connect with nature at your own pace. Authentic experiences. From homestays in traditional villages to savoring local delicacies at street food stalls, Sapa provides a glimpse into the authentic way of life of the Vietnamese people. Accessibility and affordability. Improved infrastructure and affordable travel options make Sapa more accessible than ever before, without compromising its authentic charm. Sapa is not just a destination, it's a journey of discovery. It's a place where you can challenge yourself physically and immerse yourself in a culture rich in tradition and hospitality. So pack your bags, embrace the adventure, and let Sapa unveil its magic to you.